construction site, and I'm going to knock on the door and see if Jean's home. Hello?
Who is it?
It's Deb.
Oh, hi, Deb.
Hi, come on in.
Oh, I'm so happy to
Say
see you.
hi. Hello. Wow. Wow. Hi.
Hi.
Wow. Why don't you give me a tour?
Yeah.
Do you know the tour? Oh, and what is it?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the laundry room?
Well, we have the garage here first.
Okay.
So we have to,
Yes,
Take a
go
picture
ahead.
of this.
Wow,
This
look,
is
it's big. Yeah. Look at that. Okay. Now, this I guess is where you come in, right? Isn't this your laundry room?
This is my laundry
So
room.
your dryer and your washing machine, and this is going to be where your air handler is.
Right.
Now you come into here. Wow, look at this living room.
Go around.
Wow, look at this. Whoa, look at those French doors. So now we come over here, right?
Now here's going to be
Well,
the kitchen.
how about what's this? Tell the people what this is. Oh, this is your pantry.
Come in. Look
This
at the
is a pantry,
This is the pantry.
right? This is going to be the pantry similar to what's in my home.
Yeah.
Okay, with that design. Now now let me tell you something. You got a huge walkway here.
gonna
This
be
is going to
arched.
be arched,
Arched.
right? So now when you come here, you're looking directly at the guest bathroom. So this is the guest
Oh,
bathroom.
wait a minute. Look what it says here.
What?
CK, check arches.
Yeah. So now, right, here's your other bedroom. Here's one bedroom.
Bedroom.
Look how big that closet is.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Look at the window. Nice.
Yeah, nice window, closet.
Uh-huh.
Now you see what they do here, this green? This is all termite treated.
Exactly.
Beautiful closet. Okay, so now, this is her walkway again. And then here are two nice
Other
linen closets.
too.
Two linen closets, look at that. And then we
Wait,
got,
you missed the bathroom.
no, I did the bathroom.
Okay.
I showed them the bathroom with the tub and the window.
Mm-hmm.
Then we got this bedroom.
This is a bigger guest bedroom.
Yeah,
That's
this
a
is the
smaller.
bigger, with another closet, another window. Okay,
See, this I like. I could put a bin right
yeah. So now, when we come here,
there.
see, it's very cold today. You hear the wind out there?
Yeah.
Now, this is her kitchen. So right here goes her refrigerator. See, REF will be the refrigerator. This will all be cabinets. All here is cabinets. Right here is her sink, and more like a little island.
And a two-seater.
Right,
Two-seater
two-seater.
to eat.
So, and she got her kitchen window.
Now,
Okay.
look at this is the
French doors come out into her lanai.
My
This
lanai
is
is
now her
beautiful.
lanai, 22
big.
feet long.
Yeah. And now look at the two doors.
Now,
That door, we go into the bedroom.
Right.
The master.
well, this is also now how she could come out into the lanai from her master bathroom, which here, bedroom, where this is her door too. But we came through here. Now, this is the master bedroom. Okay?
Go
See?
around.
Look at that with the windows. Now, when you go through here, they call this an ensuite.
Oh, I do have.
Yeah, this is an ensuite. So right here is another big closet. She's gonna have double closet, and here's another closet. And then here is the ensuite bathroom. That's the toilet bowl. Jean, did you buy, I hope you bought a toilet, right?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
could've- Okay. Because, trying to sit on that is gonna be hard.
She's saying that I can't put,
So, and this is gonna be her walk-in shower. Look at that window. And then here is gonna be her two pedestal sinks. Look at the room you got between the sinks.
where's the room?
Right here. This right here is 2 feet. I could tell you that right now.
They're gonna put I don't want the sinks all the way to here.
Well, whatever it's gonna be,
that.
they'll move it. But you got all this space. Look at that. So now if you look at here, here's her shower. So your shower head is gonna be on this side.
Right.
Okay? So isn't that neat? It's coming along. Here is her pocket door that's going to be in, so she could close. Now you see how better it is without that door?
Yeah, yeah.
Well, look at this closet. These are both walk-in closets. Look at that. Very nice. And
And,
then
and I'm putting,
shutters.
shutters.
Yeah.
White shutters.
So this is really good.
Nice.
Look at
I
that.
like it.
Very nice.
These are cute.
Yeah, these are cute windows. Very cute. It's coming along. Now you come here.
Why isn't that even? One is straight and the other.
Gene, you're looking at the board. It's the board. Don't worry about the boards. This is going to be behind the Wonder Board. So now, here is her living room. This is the big living room. And then there's you go into the bedroom. And this is it. It's coming along. We're having some cold weather. So, that's it. It's getting cold. I'm freezing. So thank you for joining us in Jean's construction tour.
Thank you.
Jean,
Thank
you want
you.
to say something to Anthony and everybody out there?
No, just
Can't wait to see him
I
whenever
can't-
they're coming
Can't
down.
wait. Can't wait to see you, Anthony. Love you.
Right, okay.
Love you.
All right. So now we're gonna go. So we're gonna open the door.
This is big, huh?
Yeah, look at
Nice
this.
Shutters.
Yeah,
Shutters here.
look at this. See? It's coming along. See that?
I'm gonna put a nice palm tree out there.
Yep. Okay. All right, Jean, it was good seeing you.
Okay, thank you for
Okay,
coming.
and then, oh, and out here, she's having the gate. She's having a nice gate here and a gate there. Okay, ta-ta, nice. Bye-bye.
Ciao. Come.
Ciao. All right, bye-bye.
Is all the doors closed?
Well, did you open that?
I shut it.
Okay. Worried about the doors closed, but yet the garage is wide open. All right. Talk to you guys later. Love you guys. That's right, making sure the doors are closed. But meanwhile, anybody could walk in through the garage. Look at this. Yeah. Okay. All right. Love you guys. Bye-bye.